classroom?
Hey, ma'am, I'll start.
Yeah, please start doing, as
Ma'am,
well as I'm giving you the CT link here also in the chat box.
ma'am, in converting kilograms into grams, we have to
Your voice is breaking, Yug.
Ma'am, in convert
in converting kilograms into grams. We have to show full method or
The,
write
the way
directly
you
write the
have learned.
answer.
जैसे आपने पढ़ा है, direct also will be accepted. Method also will be accepted.
ma'am, we have to write that also, that 4
What?
kg 10 grams.
What?
Ma'am, if we will convert the 4 kg, so we have to write 10 grams also.
Yes, beta. Convert into grams, 4 kg and 10 grams है, तो how much total grams it will be?
We can write short form of kg.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the B question, um, it will be converted into kilogram and gram both.
Let me present the screen and show you. B question, convert the 47,990 gram into kilogram and gram. Yes, both. जो भी आएगा आपका किलोग्राम और ग्राम.
Ma'am, we can use the revision notebook for the addition, no?
Yes, you can use calculations you can do in the revision notebook or the maths notebook. For 4B students, there is an announcement for the 4B students that next class from 11 o'clock will be irregular in the 4B. So please join 4B classroom for maths again. Don't think this maths class is done and then we have to not join the class at 11 o'clock. Please join again 11 o'clock your math 4B classroom for the maths class. Am I clear for grade 4B?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This was actually your Hindi class, right? But Hindi ma'am is absent, so I am taking the combined class with 4A. But next
Yes.
class, my class will be regular at 11 o'clock again. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am. So Hindi reading class will be not conducted.
I don't know, beta. Hindi teacher will inform you.
Sujata ma'am has sent a message that Hindi class will not be conducted today.
She has already sent.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In the C question, we have to write the things and tell that this is in kg or gram.
Let me wait. Let me see. The C question, right?
Yes.
Write the suitable unit. You have to write the weight of the book of your maths magic book will be in kilogram or the gram.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm. Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, can you see me there?
ma'am,
No,
we
Deep.
have to write the statement also, no?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
The
can you?
way you have learned. No, Dheer, I cannot see you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In the E question, you have to write the statement also.
Yes, the way you have learned.
Okay,
No
ma'am.
need to ask the basic things which we have already learned. The way we have learned, the same way you have to explain me.
Renu, ma'am.
Hmm.
In B question,
Which one?
A and B, I have written the direct answer. It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
in the E word, we have to write the sentences.
Hmm. Write the statements. You have learned the story problem with the help of the sentences now.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way. टेस्ट में वही होना होता है. The way we have learned. Same way you have to explain me.
Ma'am, in Google form, we have to write the statement
Yes,
also.
you have enough space. Yes, in the Google form you have to write. You have enough space. आप enter करते करते जाओगे, you will get the space. Is there any child who is not able to log into the Google form?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, we have.
Ma'am, we have to write the statement in the.
You are the fourth child who is asking about the statement. Yes, I have taught you in the same way, na? Writing the statement.
Okay.
Ma'am, from the ESOM, it is word problems now.
Just read and identify which problem is this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I could not understand the G question.
Okay. The total weight of 3 girls is 95 kg. One girl is this and the other girl is this. Find the weight of the third girl. 3 girls total is this 95 kg. First you need to suppose I have explained, total 10 chocolates you have.
Oh
You give
yes, yes. Now I remembered. Now I remembered this question you have asked one day.
if you have total 10 chocolates, you have given 2 to someone or 3 to another child. How much are left with you? So it is same kind of how many chocolates are left with you. So this way you can find the weight of the third also. First, there are two concepts you have to do in the one question. Two
So we have to
operations.
write the statement also.
Yes, a statement also. There's a space given, enough space. You can write the statement also.
Ma'am.
Yes, Harsh.
Ma'am, in E1 we have to write the statement.
Hello, ma'am.
If there is a word problem, you have to write the statement.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Rishik.
Ma'am, I am not understanding the M question.
Okay. Yes, Dheer, what are you trying to tell me?
Ma'am, I am saying that we can write the statement in the notebook and answer in a Google form.
No statement also. Some last statement, at least one line statement is required to write in the Google form. M question was already explained, Rishik, if you have attended my class.
Ma'am, what are you saying about statement?
The last statement is required to write.
Okay.
That what are you calculating? Okay.
So,
Rishik,
okay.
listen, if you have attended my class of how to find the postal rates, then you can easily do the AM question. If you have not attended my class, then sorry, then you have to understand this question after the class. Because right now I cannot explain you this question, right? The others are doing. And children, it is compulsory to be there in the class till I end the class. No one will leave the class. It has been observed 3 to 4 students have already left the class. Please don't leave.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, we have to minus and minus. No.
I don't know better. We have already learned in the class. That time you can ask your doubts. Now, when I was teaching the concept,
Okay.
now you can come and ask in the next class.
Okay, ma'am. And how I will write the statement in the E1?
I said no, one line statement is compulsory to write.
Means
Preeti bought this much kg of sugar and she used this much. How much is left with unused? So you can write the unused sugar is this.
okay. Means the answer statement. No?
Yeah, the answer statement is compulsory to write. The last statement.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 2 minutes. In filling the blanks given 1 kg dash of 5 multiply. Ma'am, we have to write in gram या kilogram.
See, which
Gram.
which one to you are talking about?
Okay.
1 kg equals to 5 multiplied by what you will do?
Yes, I
How many
understand.
grams you will multiply with the 5 so that it will be equal to 1 kg?
I understand.
And I'm going to check this manually, so you will, when you will submit, you will not get the marks. Once I will check it, I will send it to you.
Ma'am, I have submitted. You get my Rishik.
I got one. Let me check. Yes, Rishika received.
Okay, ma'am.
Five minutes left to students.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
I could not understand the I question.
Weight of 10 apples is equal to 2 watermelons. How many watermelons would weight the same as 25 apples? 10 apples के 2 watermelons है, तो 25 apples में कितने watermelons हो गए? 10 apples means 5 apples equals to 1 watermelon. 10 apples equals to 2 watermelons. So 25 apples equals to how many watermelons? Got it, Lisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kiana?
Ma'am, it was by mistake.
Deer, I request you to please come back to your place. Deer.
Ma'am, I am here only.
I'm not Dheer guy I'm talking about. Dheer Patel. And I request everyone, the grade 4B students, to join the 4B classroom after this class for the maths class. again. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I could not understand the K question.
Fine. Fill in the blank. 1 kilogram equals to 5 multiplied by how many grams, so that it will be equal to 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams, you all know. So 5 multiplied by how many grams will equals to 1000 grams?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I cannot understand the K one.
Maybe your mic is off.
1 kilogram is 1000 grams, you all know. So 5 multiplied by how many grams? So it will also be 1000 grams. Got it, Meer Virani? Okay, students,
Ma'am,
I'm
I could
giving you.
not understand N
Yes.
question.
LMN. SI unit. The first example was on the basis of SI unit. What is the standard unit of measurement? The bigger unit is the standard unit. Got it? So I'm giving you 10 to 15 minutes time. Please complete it and send it to me. Okay? You all know
Ma'am,
the
what
time
is
is noted in my sheet. 10 to 15 minutes time I'm giving you. Please complete and send it to
Ma'am,
me fast.
N?
Okay,